Let's understand what the real difference between code and no code is. You'd be surprised if I told you that essentially is just the same thing. No code is just a way to packet bits of code and present them to the user in a very easy to use and friendly format. Let's say that I wanted to show a collection of my sales data on my app's dashboard. This means that with traditional code, I would have to essentially write a bunch of HTML and CSS and figure out how to display that data in a table. I would have to write code to make sure the lines and the grids of the tables and the columns and the rows and the width and the height of each of those things were defined. With no code, what really happens is a bunch of really smart engineers decide the best or most beautiful looking format of a table, and they write that code, and then they packet it into a little button or a component that now says the word table. So as a no-code developer, if I want to display any data from my databases in a tabular format, I really don't need to write all of that painstaking and lengthy code. Instead, I just need to take what the genius developer containerized in that small little packet for me, drag it and drop it into my interface, and just like that, all the code that developer wrote has now been transferred into my app as a table, and I can display my data without any problem